This video will help you understand how to use the scheduling functions in the Scheduler module. We will be explaining how to display, find and filter schedules, and how to assign schedules to employees. This help video will cover the following topics: understanding the scheduler grids, using find and filter, assigning available schedules to an employee, unscheduling an employee, and moving schedules between employees. To help you understand the scheduler grids, we are starting with both grids collapsed so that employee information is hidden, and only the totals display. The top grid displays the total number of schedules assigned to employees within each of the budget groups, while the bottom grid displays the unassigned schedules, also within each of the budget groups. The schedules that are unassigned are referred to as the available schedules. This facility uses both RNs and LPNs for their floor nurses. This facility has a combined daily budget of 22 RNs and LPNs. On Sunday, of the 22 schedules, 15 are assigned to employees, and 7 is the number of available schedules. With the RNs and LPNs expanded, we can see all the RNs and LPNs, and the schedules assigned to them. We will now look at the schedules for the RNs and LPNs day shift, and Luxor 2 unit, which has a daily budget of 3. Employees that are assigned these schedules will have a light blue cell, that contains Lux 2. We can see that Lois Sanford and Alan Wyman are assigned these schedules. In the availables grid, we see the number 1, which indicates that there is one available schedule for RNs and LPNs morning shift and Luxor 2 unit. The total of 2 assigned schedules and the 1 available equals the budget of 3. A schedule will display with one of the colors that you can see in the shift filter dropdown. The text in the cells represents the floor or unit that the employee is scheduled to. If an employee is scheduled for a double shift, then the cell will contain 2 colors. If an employee is scheduled for a triple shift, then the cell will contain 3 colors. All other colors are placeholders, which are used to represent that an employee previously had a schedule. The text in these cells will indicate the placeholder type, such as V for vacation, or S for sick. An orange cell border indicates that the employee has either a schedule but without punches, or has punches without a schedule. Such a border indicates that you need to assign or remove a schedule. Hovering over a cell will display a pop-up that gives you more details about the schedule or placeholder. Use the filters to limit the number of employees that are displayed. The filters make it easier to work with schedules on specific shifts or units. Use the shift filter to display only the employees that are working in the selected shift. Use the unit filter to display only employees that are working in the selected unit. You can also use the shift and unit filters together. Additionally, the date filter will further reduce the displayed employees to only those that are working on the selected date. Use the filter availables checkbox so that both the schedules and the available schedules are limited to the filtered shift and unit. It is a simple 2-step process to assign a schedule to an employee. Use the F key to take a schedule, and the T key to give it to the employee. Find the available schedule that you want to assign, click on it, press the F key. Now the cell should have a red border, which means that it's ready to be assigned. Now go to the employee and click on any of his cells, and press the T key. To assign multiple schedules, press and hold the Control key, and at the same time select the cells you want to assign. Then, use the F and T keys to give the schedules to an employee. To unschedule an employee, click on the cell that you would like to unschedule, and press the U key. The placeholder window will pop up. Select a status for the placeholder and click OK. Or, just leave it to No Placeholder and click OK. Use the monthly mode to unschedule without placeholders. It is equivalent to no placeholder. This can be used when rescheduling a large amount of employees and you do not need placeholders to track the previous schedules. To unschedule multiple schedules, press and hold the Control key, and at the same time select the cells you want to unschedule. You can check the Apply for All box if they all have the same reason for unscheduling. If you are unscheduling an employee, and you already know the employee that you wish to assign these schedules to, you can unschedule and assign schedules within the same process. Use the FNT method mentioned above.